discussion the players are having now after the second half. You can't give a second ever win in history on this venue to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It must not be our time. It definitely must not be this time.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko, in as much as they are up by a goal, but one thing about the Aduana Stars is that they do come back. They conceded 2 goals at the same venue against Midiama. They came back to level the peg. They conceded the first goal against Nswatraman. They came back again with an equalizer to restore parity. And we are talking about Kotoko. Not just a very good side whenever the game is traveling to its twilight part. Lack of focus, limited energy, miscommunication, a lot of errors for Kotoko anytime the game is traveling to its twilight part. So they must find a way to stay consistent, to stay balanced in terms of energy, in terms of concentration, to have their way through. I believe Aduana are going to respond in the second half. I'm watching the die and best of the first half. You could see Aduana were on the front foot. That is one thing of a caution to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Calvin Obin, the last time he was on his score sheet against this same Asante Kotoko. A lot is expected. Aduana Stars can't afford to drop all the 3 points here at home. But Kotoko also hoping to end their losing streak. Time indeed will tell. Saka Dauda, not just on his element, Ablo, Justice Blay giving some assurances and hope in midfield. But Babayaya must improve. Wisdom Bassi, inconsistent. But they must stay balanced and focused, especially from the 80th minute going to the last embrace of the game, because Aduana Stars will definitely come at them. Focus, concentration. I love what I saw from the defensive transition anytime Kotoko are not having the ball. Lot of numbers in defense. Compatibility, minimal distancing. Can they maintain that? And Justice Blay in the heart of midfield is giving Intim Man a lot of space for him to attack. Saying a prayer, hoping seeking for favor, for grace, for luck, for breakthrough. Pray without ceasing.
Very good view of the venue.
the Oja boys hoping to do it again. That comeback spirit.
Aduana Stars already waiting for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The Kotoko players getting themselves warmed up for this game.
The weather is so conducive over here. The last time Kotoko won over here, it was this same Ogu who was staring at face. And you could see an improvement, spark of understanding in that three-back system Ogun is opting for. This afternoon, Laura Moa, Sambo O'Neill, Joseph Ablo, then Justice Blay, alongside Intim Menu, Babayaya Medford. Wisdom, Basi, Saka Dauda, and the top scorer for Kotoko, Albert Amwa. He came off from the bench against Nations. Just struggling to find his form and rhythm after that setback against Heart of Lions. Hoping to improve upon his sharpness, because he's defender's ninth man. Albert Amwa. He can go solo. He can involve in play. And he can score from any angle. 5 goals this season for Kotoko.
Still waiting to begin the second half. The players ready. Exciting scenes. A mild, warm afternoon in Doma.
So far in 99 games, we've recorded 64 first half goals. And Kotoko scored in the first half. 88 goals in the second half. Total of 152 goals in 99 games. 43 home wins, 18 away wins, 38 draws. Interesting. In 22 meetings between Aduana and Kotoko, 7 wins for Aduana, 8 wins for Kotoko, and 7 draws. Very tight. Very, very tight. Aduana Stars in 5 games at home this season. 1-1 against Heart of Lions. They lost 2-1 against Nations. They won 2-0 against Dreams. 2-2 against Mediama. And 1-0 against Karela. 2 wins, 2 draws, and 1 defeat. They've scored 7 goals at home. They've conceded 5. And looking at Kotoko on the road this season, they won their first game of the season against Karela 1-0. Kankedesi, Albert Amwa. It was 1-1 against Brekum Chelsea. 1-1 against Basake Holy Stars. They lost against Lagos Cities 2-1. And 1-0 defeat at Bechem to Bechem United. So 5 games on the road for Kotoko this season. They've scored 4 goals. They've conceded 5. Aduana fans hoping with a bit of never say die spirit, in as much as they are down by a goal, they hope to make things happen. Still cheering their players up regardless of the result. They believe in history. And they believe they can come back. Something they love doing this season. They were down by 2 goals at home against Mediama. They came back to equalize. They were down against Nswatraman. They came back with an equalizer. Kankedesi Bamba. Can they do it against Kotoko? Kotoko in their last 3 games, they lost to Heart of Lions, they lost to Bechem against Nations FC. Hoping to end this abysmal record against Aduana Stars. bit of delay here. After week 11, Faisal Chawate with 8 goals, Albert Amwa with 5, Prince Chuniboa of Pasaki Holy Stars with 4, Emmanuel Mafo of Diana Stars with 4, and Steven Amankona. He was the top scorer last season, and he's having 4 goals this season. The last for Kotoko visit to Aduana, it was goalless 2020-2021. Aduana lost by 2-0, 21-22. Richmond Lamte and Georges Infege did that magic. Goalless 2022-23, and last season Aduana Stars won by 2-1.
Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League.
And we are ready for the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season.
We are ready. We are ready.
We are ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Please, we are ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
We are ready.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League.
And we are ready for the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season.
We are ready. We are ready.
We are ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Please, we are ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own.
The game about to resume. The first half.
Our own Division 1 league is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Delay. In their dressing room, but for now they are back and ready for the game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko leading by a goal. Perhaps this could be the second time they've beat Aduana here. If the results manages to stay like it is.
But Kotoko must stay compact and focus. High level of concentration in this second half, because Aduana have shown that they can pull a lot of strings in the second half. Against Mediaman, against Swatraman, they have that better record in second half.
The hit from Richard Tete was wayward. Nothing positive came out of it. And now Mohamed Kamara is a free man. Calvin Obeng, good control. He opens up to the right. Kojamo Akon. Bamba heads. Obeng. He should have done better, Calvin Obeng.
Of course, the last time he scored over here against Kumasi Asante Kotoko, where they won by 2 goals, 2-1. But this afternoon, Calvin Obeng isn't consistent.
Free kick. And Aduana Stars putting intense pressure, seeking to get the equalizer and maybe the winner.
Very sensitive zone. Any ambitious ball can find the back of the net. And now Bamba behind the ball. Very sensitive zone. Way off target. Wasted ball from Bamba. The pressure is piling, but how to stay focused, how to stay purposeful is what Aduana must improve upon.
Alex Boache. Aduana Stars not just wanting to keep the ball in their own half. They need to score, and if they have to, the ball must always be in the opposition's half. Kotoko playing with calm, not rushing to take decisions. And team's ball went wide. And for everyone out there, there were lots of questions as to the reason behind the delay. arrangements were being put in place for the safety of the officials. That is just the reason why. And now we are back. And we are already 4 minutes into the second half.
In the last 2 games for Aduana Stars, they've been able to find the back of the net. They scored against Karela and against Iswatraman, meaning they always find a way to pull one back. That is what Kotoko must be mindful of.
Saka Dauda, Baba Yaya, Alex Poache, who has been very solid in defense. Calvin Opie wins a foul. Abubakar Adams, but he has left it for Alex Poache. Ball sent, Bamba, justice play.
Kotoko looking sloppy in the second half, especially in defense. Very good game for Kamara this afternoon. He's been decisive in a way. Just a little improvement upon his ability to save long-range shots and high balls.
Good ball. Ado, he goes down. Kojopoku, Calvin Obin's header. Lord Amwa has given a corner to Aduana Stars. Abubakar Adams missed, just wide. How did he not score that?
Kamara was able to close the angle, making it relatively small for the player to score from there. Just watch that. Just give it to a goalkeeper for closing that angle.
Elvis Ado. The man who just squeezed that chance off the post.
For a team to score 7 goals at home, and they've conceded 5. It's obvious that they do score, but they struggle to protect their lead.
Alex watch it.
Kotoko are just struggling to settle in the second half. They struggle to put one or two passes together.
Henson and Ponsa being shipped out for Emmanuel Mafu.
Emmanuel Mafu with 4 goals against Heart of Lions. He scored against Dreams and he scored brace against Young Apostles. One of the top scorers this season, Emmanuel Mafu.
This clearly shows that Aduana Stars need goals.
And an attacking change is much needed when you are down by a goal. When you are chasing the game, you need your best and experienced players to come off from the bench to do something magical. But the question is, Aduana Stars are bringing in one of the best scorers of the team. But ask yourself, who can make things happen for Kotoko from the bench?
They have Emmanuel Antwi.
Antwi's game inconsistent. Tinedu is more defensive. Peter Midu Aqua not within his element this season. He was the guy for the fans last season, but this season Peter Midu is struggling.
Babayaya towards Saka. Saka gets the cross in. Masaoud. Again, Saka Dauda. Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, the man who has been under intense pressure,
sitting on tenterhooks. These 3 points really matters most for Kotoko, hoping to end their losing streak.
Rich Saki of this Ado plays for Silas Sherman. Good ball wide. Nice play from Bamba. He opens up the defense. This is an opportunity. Aduana Stars failed to connect themselves.
At this point, when you are on the front foot, one thing should always be in your mind: to stay calm and composed anytime you are within the opponent box. And if you are not creating all the decent chances in the second half, but indecisiveness, panicking, wasting all their chances, I believe the game is going to turn. And if it does, and Kotoko manage to take their chances, Aduana may smile at the wrong side of their mouth.
A better more. The danger man for Kotoko goes down. No penalty. Rich Saki. Can they turn this defensive moment into an attacking one? Abubakar Adams, Pamba.
Mohamed Kamara. Just very decent this afternoon. Watch the high line from Aduana Stars, hoping to limit spaces and put massive pressure on Kotoko. But upon all this, they are lacking agency. How to be purposeful in attack is what Aduana are lacking. Having Bamba, Calvin Obey, and Emmanuel Mafu, all this are top experienced players who can score, but they are just panicking, wasting a lot of chances.
Lord Amoa, Baba Yaya, second goal, and Albert Amoa. Guess who? He is the man, just as he has always been. Albert Amoa, his 6th goal of the season, his 2nd goal. Asante Kotoko gets goal number 2.
Albert Amoa. Just watch the build-up. That was a good time for Amoa from Baba Yaya. Albert Amoa.
Six goals this season for Albert Amoa.
Look at that again.
What a game for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. "62 minutes and they are up by 2. The last time they won here, it was by 2-0.
And it was this same head coach, Prosper Natiogu, Richmond Lamte, and Georges Mfege did that magic.
Aduana Stars, Kumasi Asante Kotoko have their boots on the throat of the home team.
Massive, impressive. The first time seeing Kotoko scoring more than 1 goal. Spark of improvement.
Aduana Stars. This is Kujo Amwako. Emmanuel Mafu appealing for humble, not given. We talked about Amoa's importance and significance for Asante Kotoko just before the game, and his return is more of a blessing for the men in red.
Of course, you know, you always need your best players to be on their element. in crucial moments like this. And Albert Amwa, after that setback against Heart of Lions, you could see Kotoko lacking that presence of a striker, of a deadly finisher in their previous games. Now he's back, announcing his presence within the grounds that history doesn't speak well for Kotoko. They are up by 2 goals.
Godfredo Pokuwaki. Replacing Kojamo. Gideon Boateng is also on for Silas Sherman.
Gideon Boateng scored the only goal against Carolina United when they played at home. Maybe he can bring a moment of relief for Kotoko. Keeping the Oja boys quiet. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What a way to bounce back. And for the first time this season, they've managed to score more than 1 goal. Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
It was so much pressure before this one. But when Aduana played a 2-all draw against Mediama here, they were down by 2 goals at this time. So there's still maybe a bit of hope.
And all the consolation goals came through this same pool, this same angle. Apia Kubi could not believe his eyes. Can Kamara redeem Kotoko's image? His performance has been under proper scrutiny, but he's been decent this afternoon. Coach Yawachampo under pressure.
And this could be much more intense.
Especially the opponent.
And the history backing this ground and the team when they face Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
22 games in all competitions. 7 wins for Aduana, 8 wins for Kotoko, and 7 draws. But in history, the last time Kotoko won a game was way back. 21-22 season.
Elvis Ado wanted Waki. Aduana starts playing all they can.
But look at Kotoko. Just very conserved.
Substitutions. Emmanuel Entry ready to come on for Baba Yaya. And also Elvis Cheba 4. Dr. Prosper Nate Ugum putting some instructions across.
Thank you for Baba Yaya. That is a like for like change. Let's see. Black Stars products, Emmanuel Entry.
And also, Wisdom Bass is off for Elvis Chebafo.
Meaning Kotoko are still having the hopes of scoring more goals because that was an attacking change made by Prosper Natugu.
And perhaps he needs more pressing